Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Monday. So a little bit slide gap down we have seen. So according to the price action now, like market has took a recovery from that particular point, and this 25,700 is acting as a good supports where put buyers are very much like confident at here. So I can see little bit a retracement of buying, and then I will be making positions for the upside. So this is the best time where you can plan for the long side. So yeah, risk is very low. Like you can put your SL at 25,690 below and take a buffer in your SL and go for the flow. So this is 25,720 and 15 is a good support where like intraday basis you can make an entry for the upside at the price action is buy on dip at here. So 25 870 or 850 where like we have seen a rejection on Friday, so this would be possible. We can again see a like sailing by at that particular resistance which is 25 850. So till then it's like above the support which is 25 700 above, so you can look for only buying opportunity, and we can look for the sailing side above like below this level 25 690. So just mark on these levels, like both sides you can see showing capture like 25 690 below. I can see 25 530, this would be the level we can look for, or above 25 700. So I am planning to like in this morning's bias which is still activate. So I can see price action where it's little bit clumsy, but I can go for a only upside because price action in intraday basis where put writers are confident and the sailors are not confident, and the premium appreciation I cannot see justify at the selling side. I will be going to look for only below 690 level. So for the selling side you can mark 25 690, and for the upside above, and already you have made an position in the long side, so you can wait for the SL 25 690 below only your SL, and you can trail your position for the upside. This is the best buy on dip for the intraday basis, and you can look for firstly this 840, I guess, sorry, yeah, 840, this would be your first target. You can look, and if it is going to sustain 850, then 880 is also possible. So these small kind of risk to reward you can see in the Nifty, just because of like we have seen upper side a double top according to the hourly chart. So this selling is like we have seen in the last few days. So maybe this is a kind of oversold zone. So here you cannot afford a fresh selling especially. So I will be looking for selling by tomorrow. This would be possible, but today itself is possible. Again we have see the like resistance, so this would be your target. So simply go with the flow. So flow is like on according to the like first candle. This is a kind of buying retracement at this particular support. Until then is I have already told you the level which is 25 700. You can look for buying opportunity where the like this would be possible. We can see a gap up by tomorrow, so 25 930, this would be possible. You can trail your positions for intraday basis only, and as per this price action I'll just suggest you according to our hourly chart. Market is like little bit slightly, we have seen a profit booking, right? And this is a kind of double top everyone is looking at here. So maybe this double top, so we have the target in the downside itself, it's possible. But don't be in a like where you will be going to plan everyone is looking for this double top. So here the smart buyers and like investors are looking for buying opportunity at this particular point maybe. So the Nifty will be going to give a new high which is nearly by maybe November, and this would be possible. So we can see 27,000 itself, this would be possible. So positional basis, this is the best opportunity to grab. You can like make some certain positions at here, and when it's going to be give a sort of 25 530 somewhere, so you can again add on in your positional. For the positional basis you can try to make buy on dip at this particular support, and once it reaches to the support, so you can book part of your like 50% of your quantity at 26,000. And when it's going to give a like beautiful breakout, which I'm looking for long, so above 26,000, then definitely we will look for a new high, like in a coming days, like Bank Nifty we have seen. And why I'm saying so, don't go for a selling blindly at here, just go with the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is totally avoiding at like selling at here, so this is the culprit which is not like participating in the selling side. So if you are looking for the selling opportunity, so then you have to look only and keep an eye on the Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty is going to support Nifty, then Nifty is already bearish in last week, so maybe it will be going to trigger for the downside, but you can only play the like intraday movement only, but don't hold your position. I am not confident in the selling side, that is why I will be looking for only buying opportunities, as I have told you. So according to 15-minute, I am taking a trade at here in the this 12 p.m. after. So maybe I think I will be going to look for a little bit a slightly positive opportunity, which is maybe intraday basis only. So 25,840 would be my target. So I will be going to book at here, because 850 we have seen a rejection. So I will not going to take any sort of kind of like trailing at here. I will be only and only book my profit at here fully. And then if it is going to like sustain and give a sustenance above 850, then any kind of retracement we have seen in the buying side, so then definitely I will be looking for again then 950, 930, 25, 930 is possible. So this is as per the price action and according to the Bank Nifty. And Sensex, you can also plan for the buy on dip for the new highs. This would be possible. So at this level this would be possible, we can see more profit booking, but at here you need to look for the like intraday basis for the buying side, because these buyers are still activated and still have not like making removed their positions, they are making a build up at here. So this strong long build up is going on, so short build up is also there. So both sides move, you can capture, but only the swings is possible, just because you have to note down the levels 690, 25 690 for the down, and for 25 700 above you can look for only buying opportunity, which I am looking for very long. Maybe one move towards the high is possible, so this is I am looking for. And according to the Bank Nifty as well, which is again sustained at like a psychological level above, which is 58,000. So here a small kind of W you can see in this 15-minute chart. So this in this way you can plan for, and this W has given a breakout, so you can mark. And this I'll just give you how much target you can take in Bank Nifty. Just mark this from here to here, how much, like, just wait, yeah, 400 point from this particular point 58,460 we can see. So 58,450 this would be possible, you can take your target. This is a beautiful opportunity for the upside in Bank Nifty. So in this way I am looking for Nifty to give a upside target according to this Bank Nifty to make a sink. But how much you are confident in your trading, so make a SL at 690 below 685, that's completely fine, then only you can trail your position in the upside. Otherwise you can skip this Nifty by like tomorrow, it's possible you will be going to grab the opportunity. But if you have made an position in the upside, so still you can like hold your position and make your SL where I have suggested to you, and go with the flow. So one dip is towards the like from the day high, it's possible. So this is the favorable dip which we can look for the upside opportunity. This is the reason I am saying this, ki you have to look only buy on dip at this particular position, because Bank Nifty is not supportive at here for the selling side. Let's see what will be going to, I have already told you like what will be going to make market is like supreme. We cannot justify any of the trend, because market like Nifty is totally in a consolidation, particularly at that particular point. So any kind of like reversal we can see, because this slow sailing is always convert to in a buying. This is we have seen so many times, and market is in oversold zone. So if you are sailing at here in oversold zone, so recovery will be going to see a very fast recovery we can see from at any point. So these are all supports. So I am not looking for this like very like chindi kind of movement in the sailing side. I will be looking for the big opportunity, which is I can see in the upside, because these buyers are still very confident in the put side. So put buyers are activated and having their position. So more like wise decision is there in the sale, buying side, buy on dip. And India VIX is also indicating that it's completely like coming in the like in those days like 13, if it is going to give a close above 13. So premium appreciation we can see in the upside or downside, because premium we have seen are dead today just because of one day before expiry. So no move we have seen in the morning, only we have seen the move. Now market is in particular consolidation zone. So whatever it gives to you in the morning or like in any of the trade, so you have to book your profit. This is the best advice from my side. Don't hold your position for a long, like this like half an hour you can hold your position if it is going in your way or in your direction. So kindly book your profit. Like, and if it is going to like convert your profit into loss, it's better you can book your profit like completely at the right direction and at the right moment. This is very good for a option buyer. Don't hold like for a long. So this is best day, and I think tomorrow we will see beautiful sailing. This would be possible according to the like hourly chart. Certain kind of move we can see by tomorrow, it's possible, but today it has like like swap the liquidity from the downside. So one move towards the high is possible, so which I am looking for the best opportunity I already suggested, and this is a kind of one profitable trade I'm looking for it here. So go with the trading and go with the investments if you are taking a like learning properly. If you're not taking a learning and you're not making a generals, so kindly go for a learning first. And this is a highly risky profession, so better to learn and then go for like trading or investment, because both are like a very risky profession. So go with the flow according to the investments. This is the best opportunity for the like you can look for this December for one more high we can see in Nifty. So positional basis, you can make certain stocks, you can invest, or you can wait if you have already waited at here, so you can wait also and look for the opportunity in the buy side for 25,500 above. We can again look for positional basis for the upside. So this is the best advice from my side, and this is Ankita Agnihotri signing off, guys. And this is a disclaimer also. All the contents are for education purpose. If you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And have a happy trading, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are watching till here. So you're very special for me, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is the best intraday basis I have given to you the labels, and you can simply go with the flow and go with the click according to the price action, and you can make money according to the intraday basis only. Don't hold your positions. So this is the best advice. Hope you like find a video content is valuable for you, so give a thumbs up. So have a happy trading ahead. This is Ankita Agnihotri signing off. Bye bye, love you all.